Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I discuss problem 3.40 for the bridge network in figure 3.86. Find I naught using mesh analysis. Using mesh analysis, we solve the problem to calculate I naught. This figure is so. Now calculate this problem using mesh analysis. We know that the mesh analysis is. Now I calculate it. Practice chapter 3 method of analysis problem 3.40 fundamental of electric circuit K. Alexander and Sadiko 3.40. This figure is firstly I choose 3 loop. Loop 1, loop 2 and loop 3, that is I1 current, I2 current and I3 current. Now solution this solution using mesh analysis for loop 1. For loop 1 I use a mesh analysis for loop 1. Minus 56 volt plus 2I1 plus 6 I1 difference I2. 6 into I1 difference I2 plus 6 I1 difference I3. We know that the current of algebraic sum is 0, that is mesh analysis. So easily solution this, the equation 1 is 6 I1 minus 3 I2 minus 2 I3 equal to 28, that is equation 1. Second, we see that we see loop 2 6 I2 difference I1. Sincerely see 6 I2 difference I1 plus 6 I2 plus 3 I2 difference I3. That is equation for loop 6 I2 minus I1 plus 6 I2 plus 2 I2 minus I3 equal to 0. Easily calculate that 2 I3 equal 6 I2 minus 6 I1 equal to I3 equal 7 I2 by 7 I2 difference 3 I1. We divided by 2 every side. Now see third loop. For loop 3 2 I3 minus I2 plus 4 I3 minus I1 plus 4 I3. So easily calculate that for loop 3 4 I3 minus I1 plus 2 I3 minus I2 plus 4 I3 equal to 0. So easily equation solve this. 5 I3 minus 2 I1 minus I1 equal 0. So easily calculate that I2 equal 5 I3 minus I1. We see 3 equation. We get 3 equation. Now calculate I1, I2 and I3 value. For equation 3 I3 equal 7 I2 minus 3 I1. We calculate that I3 equal 7 I2 minus 3 I1. For equation 2 we set this value in this equation 3. I2 equal 5 I3 minus 2 I1 minus 3 I1. Easily calculate that 34 I3 equals 17 I1. I3 equal 17 by 34 I1. Last calculation I3 equal half I1. For equation 3 I2 equal 5 I3 minus 2 I1. I set this equation I3 value. I3 equal half I1. I3 equal half I1. Easily calculate that I2 equal half of I1. I replaced I set I3 value and I1 value. I3 value and I2 value equation 1. I set I3 and I2 value for equation 1. For equation 1 6 I1 minus 3 I2 minus 2 I3 equal 28. That is I1 value and that is I3 value. Easily calculate that 3 by 2 I1 minus vanish 2 minus I1 equal 28. Easily calculate 12 I1 minus 3 I1 minus 2 I1 equal 28. Easily calculate 12 I1 minus 5 I1 equal 56 equal 56. 28 into 2 equal 56. 7 I1 equal to 56. I1 equal 56 by 7. 56 by 7 equal 8 ampere. I0 equal to I1 equal 8 ampere. We see this figure. I0 current is I1. I0 current is I1. So easily calculate I0 value. That I0 value is 8 I1. If we calculate I3 value, that is I1 value equal to 8. So easily calculate half of 8 equal 4 ampere. I3 value is 4 ampere and I2 value is half of into 8 ampere equal to 4 ampere. So I0 value or I1 value is 8, I2 value is 4 ampere and I3 value is 4 ampere. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.